In the past, you reviewed a bunch of portable saunas. What is the best portable sauna that gets the hottest? The specific temperature they wanted it to reach was 170 plus Fahrenheit. Do you have any recommendations for the people?
Other than most of the claims are false, most of the infrared sauna control panels, especially portable saunas, the internal temperature does not match what you see on the little dial or the screen. I don't really know of any portable saunas that are going to get to 170-degree air temperature. Not that you really need it that hot. This is not a traditional or finished sauna. Infrared, works really well around 135 to 145. But thinking about the hottest options on the planet, if you're talking about the zippy tent, like you said, probably the Relax. What else do we have in the office there that got real? Oh, the Dome. The Dome sauna is going to get pretty hot. It's got really good heat coverage. It's oblong, horizontal, small cubic footage. I don't know if it'll get to 170 again, but it'll definitely, burn you out of there.
With the Dome sauna, there was an XL and then there's the regular one, and they're pretty close in price. But do you think that the smaller one would probably retain heat better?
I couldn't say because I didn't use it. And it's probably not something I would use either because I'm larger and I just like being more comfortable. I don't want to struggle to, feel like I'm mummified with my, hands next to my body. Like I can't get my shoulder out because the dome is too narrow. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's how I feel when I use the sauna blankets. Some people argue and say that the sauna blankets have no cubic footage, so they could get to 200 degrees or something like that. But I don't like laying in my own sweat. I don't think those are, super great options. You remember that unboxing we did with the sauna tent that was like a camping tent that kind of popped open?
Yeah, and it had the wooden box of heat lamps, right?
Yeah, that's much like the DIY. I don't think it's going to get to 170, but if you added multiple of those heating elements or those wooden boxes that you called it, that might really crank up the heat in there.
That actually brings me to, and I think you were about to say it, the DIY one would probably be the only actual tent sauna that could get up that hot, right?
If you added a patio heater or a bunch of other heating elements, it's really going to perform well about 140, 145 though, if you're actually looking for the true temperature. The only portable sauna on the market that's going to get over 170 reliably is the Life Pro steam sauna tent with a wood-fired heating stove in it, which is not really a small portable sauna like we're talking about. It's something that you have to use outside and burn wood. But if you're really looking for that temperature range, that's the one. I mean, this particular group member, I think, is looking for a portable sauna, so I kind of focused on those options. The hybrid options from Heavenly Heat that have both infrared and traditional sauna stove, anything that should get you that, heavy punch, high heat, combined with, the benefits of infrared therapy, they'd probably be happy with. Really difficult to achieve that in a portable sauna, though, other than going to a wood-burning, outdoor, sauna stove tent, which Life Pro does make. If they're interested, they could check the links in the description if you add them in there, and they could see, exactly what we're talking about. So yeah, out of all these options, if you're looking for infrared that's going to get to 140, 150 degrees, the One Love Sauna Dome, if you look on the channel for Sauna Dome reviews, you'll see me in them. The Relax portable sauna tent. You might look at the sauna blanket in the Facebook group. Of those options, the only one that's truly going to get above 170 is the Life Pro. If you guys have any other questions or want more help with this, leave a comment below or join the Facebook group at the Certified Sauna Community on Facebook, and let us know what you'd like to see in next week's video. Till next time.